vision has changed since having him?
My eyesight got considerably worse. I was already short-sighted before, but after I had the baby, for some reason, my eyesight became worse.
Is there any test a woman can carry out before getting pregnant to know what part of her body she might lose during or after pregnancy? Because I see no reason why one should lose it, get amputated, lose the ability to hear, or lose voice just because of procreation. Imagine. Another person said, I lost a good part of my brain's retention capacity. I had to start writing my tasks down, or I forget next minute. Before then, I never had to use notes or diaries unless in rare cases where work gets to my neck. Let me read the last one, which is very funny. Anyways, I had twins, Taiwo via vaginal delivery, Kenny via CS, every month on the day of their birth. This scar pains me in a very bad way that I have to sit down if I'm standing up, and the kids are almost 7 years. This one, I almost can't believe it. Let me just say that it's not my experience, so I can't debunk it, but I almost can't believe it. So there's another one here saying, unfortunately, there isn't, meaning there is no test you can do to know what you're going to lose after giving birth to a baby or after carrying pregnancy. So it says, unfortunately, there isn't. My wife has had less blood flowing in her right arm after delivery, making that arm malfunction sometimes, although I believe it will stop with time. Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So today I'm excited to share this particular topic with you. When we talk about pregnancy and postpartum symptoms, or pregnancy and postpartum effects, the general things we think about is weight gain, sagging breast, stretch marks. Those are the common things that we know. But today I want to talk about 5 side effects that may come with pregnancy and childbirth. Now, it is important to say this, that while some of these effects may be normal, some of them have underlying medical issues. It's important to talk to your medical provider if you are experiencing any symptoms that is unusual for you. The first effect I want to talk about from pregnancy and postpartum effects is changes in shoe size. This one, it happened to me personally, so please, this one is a confirmed one. And I feel like this one is generally because when you take in, you are likely to gain weight, and your leg, which is a part of your body, also embraces this weight embraces this weight and expands in a certain way. So that's why sometimes men who use size 38, size 9, size 8, they see that their legs begin to expand during pregnancy, and it doesn't return back most of the time. The second symptoms I'm going to talk about is loss of memory or short memory span. I feel like most women experience this when you give birth, or after you give birth, or even during pregnancy. It starts during pregnancies for some women. They just discover that they can no longer remember things as often as they used to. Just like this woman in this particular post said, you tend to forget things. You place things somewhere and you can't remember. You put things somewhere, you can't remember. You don't know why. It's pregnancy and postpartum effects. It may seem funny and sound funny, guys, but it is so real. The third effect I'm going to talk about is that somehow pregnancy and delivery affects eyesight somehow. For some women, their vision was so sharp. For some, they were already using lenses to correct whatever eye defects they had, but they noticed that after giving birth to their child, it became worse, and they had to go and correct the lens they are using to adjust or to suit a new defect that they are experiencing. And for moms that had no eye defects before giving birth, they start experiencing something like that. So it's like I said, it's very weird, but guys, it is so real. It is so real. Very, very real. The next thing, which is the fourth thing I'm going to talk about in this video, is that some women lose their teeth, sometimes during pregnancy and sometimes after delivery. Guys, imagine that your teeth is removing because you gave birth to a child. Just imagine it. Just picture that in your head. You are dealing with postpartum issues, taking care of your baby, breastfeeding, your body healing, and on top of that, your teeth can't come out. The last word effect I'm going to talk about is loss of hair. This one is so real. traditionally they used to say that your baby takes a part of your hair. I don't know, I don't think that's true anyways, I don't know, but most times women lose part of their hair when they get pregnant, times after they deliver their baby. And the funny thing is that some women don't even experience hair loss, some experience fuller hair, lengthy hair during and after pregnancy. So sometimes all these effects may vary in individual. Like I said while starting this video, while some of these symptoms may seem normal, sometimes you have to consult your health provider to know if you are okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. So please share in the comment section, have you experienced any of these symptoms mentioned? If I did mention any weird symptoms that you experienced, kindly share in the comment section also. This is a shout out to all women. If you are going through the postpartum stage currently, this is a big hugs to you. You are strong, you can do it, and God bless you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.